Hello friends, welcome back in our channel where we are learning about new software related to the Milky software. In this software, you can record each and everything related to milk. Like if you have a milk dairy, then you can use this software very efficiently. So without wasting the time, we'll directly start with this software. So first, I have just opened this software, and then first we already know that. First, we need to create a company. For this, we need to click on this button, create a new company. For this, you have to enter each and every detail related to your company, like company name, address, city, pin code, country, taxation details, state, mobile, each and every detail you need to mention here. And after that, you need to click on create company. So I have already created one company, that is a trial dairy. Okay. Okay, so this is I'm just opening this company. I have just entered the password 11. You can use this password also. Next, we'll discuss first we have discussed that how to create a company. Now we need to know about we have this is our milk dairy product, milk dairy company or milk dairy center. So we need to create the customers as well as farmers here. For this purpose, you need to click on masters and then click on account button. And you can see that I have created customer 125 and farmers 126. So I'll show you that how to create a new customer after clicking on new button. So this is the procedure. I am creating a new customer with name 6 here and print as it is. Customers comes under in customers group, and party code if you have and you can enter this also. And next, all detail you need to mention related to customer here. And after that, mobile number, phone number, email id, and these all detail, like if you want to enter. And there is two options available: maintain laser at milk rate and the maintain laser at milk purchase. So this first option says that like maintain laser at milk sale says that if we want to pay after seeing or watching the laser. And maintain laser at milk purchase says that will make payment after bill completion. So these two options you can choose accordingly. And next, this customers, like if you want to give a special price to this customer, then you can add the BM rate here, BC rate here, cow rate here, CM rate, CDM rate, and VLC rate here. According to your customer's preferences, you can enter the detail. Now I'm just entering the customer name here. So this is the procedure. And now you can see that I have created the farmers. So farmers also which are comes under in a supplier, like farmers are giving milk to us, so they are comes under in a supplier category. So I'm not creating the new account. So the procedure of creating the farmers account is same, but just you need to enter the groups as a supplier here. Next, if you want to create the bank entry, just you need to click on the new button. And then like I'm creating a PNB bank, this comes under in a bank group, and fill accordingly all the details and then click on save button. So this is the procedure. And after that, so this is all about the creation of accounts, in which you can create the accounts of customers, suppliers, as well as bank accounts also. And after that, I'll show you that how to create the items. If you are providing the milk related product like the ghee and makhan, we can say that like you can enter these details also. You are providing these items also in your milk dairy center. So I'm just creating a makhan with a company name Amul, and a rate for a makhan like a per kg. I'm just mentioning makhan 1 kg. And the rate, suppose I am entering 600, and opening balance I have a 100 pieces. and then click on save button. Now you can see that the this option is also available here. Like we are providing this facility is also like any center milk center providing the facility of selling these products also, so that they can sell these products also with the help of these options. So this is all about master's tab in accounts, and we have just studies about how to create the customers as well as a suppliers account or a farmers, we can say that. And after that I have just show you that how to create the item, like any milk center is providing the facility of sending of selling the items also, like ghee, makhan and all these, so they can sell these also. And we'll discuss the milk entries in next video, but before this I'll show you that first we need to create the milk rate list. For this purpose you need to click on the setting button and then click on milk rate list. And I'll show you that I have created these four milk lists are also available here. Like I'll show you that this milk list is available here. The first way is to create this list, like these are the values already mentioned, like fat and SNF. According to fat and SNF you can enter the data, like 5 and 7 the price is 7, 5 and 7.1 the price is 7.1. Likewise you can enter. The first way is to creating the, like you need to enter manually one by one. And the second way is to creating this file. You just need to create an Excel sheet for this. And after this I'll show you something here. After this, you can. I have just created the Excel sheet here, and I have entered the data with the help of Excel's formula. So this is the easiest way of creating the milk list, and I can directly fetch this list from the my software in my software. So this is first way is to creating the manually data. And if you don't want to create the manually data, you can directly fetch with the help of Excel. I'm just preparing the milk for BC, preparing the milk rate list for BC, and for old route and SNF I'm choosing here the milk list, that is 5 I have entered here. Like if you want to import something else, you can directly click on import button and browse your milk rate list and then import the data and then click on yes. Now you can see that your milk list is available here. Now you can see, so this is your latest price of milk, and then you need to click on save button. So this is the procedure of creating a milk list. And after that, just make sure one more thing regarding this. While selling or purchasing something, you need to choose that, you need to choose the rate from the list only. So I'm choosing BC from list, cow from list, like everything I'm choosing from the list. So which I have just created. I'll show you in the milk rate list. So this is the procedure. In this video, we have just created the masters tab, learn the masters tab and create the accounts of customers as well as the farmers. And after that, we have created the items. And then I have just showed you that how to create a milk race list. And if you want to import from Excel, you can import with the milk list also from the Excel file. And purchase while purchasing and selling is like something, you need to choose the like cow milk or buffalo milk from the list only. So this is all about this video. In next video we'll discuss about the next topic. Till then, just cover this topic, and if you have any kind of doubt, you can directly deal with me with the help of comment section. Thank you.